I'm going to start by adding 6 eggs here in this boiling water, and it's 6 beaten eggs. I just added a pinch of salt. I will leave it here without stirring for 2 minutes until it cooks and becomes firmer. Okay people, it's been 2 minutes and now I'm going to mix it here more gently. And here I will let it cook for another 10 minutes, and after that time has passed I will turn off the fire here. And with this utensil I'll take the eggs here, let it drain well first people, and then transfer to another container. I was putting it here on this platter, and look how wonderful people, but the best is yet to come. Now I'm going to take this spatula here and break the egg in this way here. Oh. Now leave this egg reserved and let's go to the next step. In a frying pan I will add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to put a chopped onion, 3 cloves of garlic also chopped in. We will saute. And I want to take the opportunity to send a big kiss to Emma Brown, who is watching us from Los Angeles in California and loves our recipes. Thank you very much for your affection, Emma. After sauteing well, we will add half a green bell pepper, also cut into small pieces, half a red bell pepper cut in the same way, a tomato cut into small cubes, and this here is very tasty people. Let's mix it here, and now let's go to the seasonings. A teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of oregano, and a pinch of black pepper, and let's mix and saute until wilted. And it's very quick people, it's a delicious sauce, and now just put this sauce over the eggs and it will add flavor and spice people. It is a very delicious combination. Make this super different omelet at home that doesn't need to fry the eggs. It's very quick people, think about 10 minutes. For me, this is a complete meal. You don't even need anything else. Then just serve this delight, and for those who like egg, this is a real feast. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye bye.